Gyoza is one of the most easiest dumplings to make, and once you know how, you'll be making it way more often than you would have thought. Gyoza actually became popular in Japan when Japanese soldiers returned from China after World War II. They then started to mess around and experiment with dumplings, and just like that, gyoza was created. Now, with that being said, let's create our own, and you'll see just how easy it is to make. So here we have a whole head of cabbage. I'll slice right down the middle and cut into quarters. Here's the root, so I'll angle my knife and slice that off. I'll then cut into a rough chop and place into a food processor. We'll process this cabbage until it resembles the coleslaw you get at KFC. Next, we'll finely chop some scallions, so I'll cut in half, then vertically slice each half, separating them into long, thin strips. I'll then begin to finely slice. And this will keep our scallions from bruising and becoming slimy. Next, in a mixing bowl, add 1 pound of lean pork mince, 2 tablespoons of the scallions, 1 cup or so of the cabbage, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 3 cloves of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and lastly some freshly cracked pepper. I'll then mix this thoroughly to combine. Now here's some dumpling wrappers. You can pick this up at any Asian grocer and freeze them whenever you decide to make gyoza. I'll place the wrapper down, then add about 1 teaspoon worth of the meat mixture. Dipping my finger in a bowl of water, I'll then wet the edges of the wrapper. Now to wrap, simply fold like a taco and pinch the seams until fully shut. Then starting at either end, fold the edges like so and pinch again. And there's our beautiful gyoza. I've lined them all up on a sheet tray, and now we're going to steam these. I'll brush some oil on the steamer basket so the dumplings don't stick. And you don't want to stack them, but you can definitely overcrowd them. I'll cook for 8 minutes and remove once done. Next, we'll get a non-stick pan on high heat and add in some neutral oil, and a small amount of sesame oil, which is optional. I'll place the gyoza in, and we simply want to crisp them up and brown on both sides. You can use chopsticks to flip these, a spoon, or even an offset spatula. Try not to use tongs, however, as they might be too heavy duty for the delicate wrapper. I'll pour some soy sauce into a dipping dish, and this is my preference, but I also like to add chili oil. We'll rub our gyoza in, and there we are. Beautifully seasoned, crunchy, tasty goodness. Enjoy!